These are pretty majestic animals, and you know, when you see them on the beach, obviously that's not a natural thing, and it's very sad.
Over the weekend, a dead humpback whale washed ashore at the 24th Street and Oceanfront. Aisha and Terry Lindsay were standing downwind from it.
Have a little smell to it.
Before beaching, the dead whale was first spotted on Friday drifting in the Chesapeake Bay just west of the fourth island of the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel.
I would love to know what happened and why it beached itself.
On Saturday, the Virginia Aquarium Science Center stranding team started to monitor the dead whale as it drifted from the bay to the oceanfront. They too wanted to know why the whale died.
This animal is about 32 feet in length, and the estimate of weight is about 32,000 pounds, so 16 tons.
Initially, the stranding response team does an external examination to see if there's any evidence that it has been entangled in a net or struck by a vessel. Mark Swingle is with the Virginia Aquarium Marine Center response team.
Those are the two leading causes of death for large whales, are being hit by a vessel or being entangled in fishing gear.
Then Swingle says the team will perform a necropsy, which involves a careful dissection and documentation of the dead whale.
The first step they're going to do is they're going to actually peel the blubber of the animal back. If there's been any blunt trauma underneath the blubber, you'll see evidence of that. And then it's just a matter of taking it apart.
Looking at each organ that is available and taking samples, hoping to figure out not only how the whale died, but also how it lived.
We learn about the biology of the animal. Often we can learn what it's been feeding on, what we know about diet and how old the animals are, and their reproductive history and things like that.
As the response team was wrapping up the necropsy on this whale, a second whale was reported to have washed up on the beaches at False Cape Feral State Park, also in Virginia Beach. When the necropsy is completed, the whale will be taken up to the north end and be buried, and the stranding response team will concentrate on the second dead whale. In Virginia Beach, Robert Rizzo, 10 on your side.